The 5 simple steps to wealth. Investing isn't easy. To be brutally honest, it's hard, very hard, but it's possible and it's simple when you learn how. In today's video, you will learn the how. The 5 steps are mindset, personal finance, cash buffer, education, this is a big one, and finally, investing with skill. But before we get stuck in, I want to give you a little bonus. I'm going to give you a free copy of my first book all about investing, with lessons of how not to invest and how to do a complete U-turn and turn yourself into an investor. You can have a good laugh at my mistakes, at my expense, in this brutally honest account of my relationship with money. And then you can learn to invest with skill. For a free copy, see the description below. And if you comment with your biggest investing lesson to pass on to other listeners, other investors, I'll go a step further and send you a paperback copy of the most honest, brutally honest investing book you are ever gonna read. Anyway, let's get stuck into the 5 simple steps to wealth. First things first is mindset. So important. You need discipline and you need patience to stick to budgets, plans, strategies, and all the good stuff you need to invest. So much of investing is psychological, like being able to fail forward and the ability to bounce back from the inevitable ups and downs of any market. The second step is personal finance. Personal finance is a must. Take the time to look at your bank statements and get on top of your personal finances with a budget you stick to. A budget you need discipline to stick to. Spend less than you earn and invest the rest. Personal finances are the foundations that investing is built on. The third step is having a cash buffer. This removes negative emotions. When I had 0 cash buffer, I was anxious about money, really anxious. Having a cash buffer brings calmness. Armed with my cash buffer, I'm a calmer version of myself, much calmer. Most experts recommend a cash buffer of 3 to 6 months living expenses. The 4th step is education. Financial literacy is a must. Learning things like compound interest is a must, or the importance of having a cash out strategy with certain types of investments. Education, education, education. The 5th and final step is investing with skill. You've got strong foundations in place by now. Now you can invest with skill, like having spare money to invest at the end of the month. You've decided on a strategy that is suitable to your risk tolerance and your goals. My strategy personally is long-term buy and hold with property, stocks, index investing and crypto. So there you have it, the 5 simple steps to wealth. Not easy, as I've said, but definitely 100% possible. Anything is possible if you want it badly enough. Thanks for listening. Now, if you enjoyed today's video, share it with a friend. Help them get financial independence. Help them get financial freedom. Help them towards wealth so they're not struggling till they're 60, 70,